mute myself. All right, if you wish to share your face with the class, which is fine because sometimes I believe that people need to see your expressions. And that's great. And so maybe I'll just leave mine up. I have the lights and everything. So I'm recording to my computer, and let me see. That's one of the first things that I want you to do. And so on this side, you have your mic. All right, so you can choose your mic. Right now, I'm not on same as system or built-in microphone. I am on Logitech H820E. This is great. This thing is like super awesome. I mean, I can walk down the hallway and I can just leave out of the room, and I can go around to, I mean, I can go to the restroom if I wanted to. Now you might want to mute your mic when you do that, but any two ways, this is awesome. I can hear the student. So basically, sometimes what happens is if you want the student in the classroom, that's great. But and when I say that, you want to give them access vocally so that they can speak, so that they can say, "Oh, excuse me, wait, I have a question, and they can stop you instead of you having to go back and look at their chats or, you know. So it's really beneficial for the students to have a headphone. I would actually require it, a headphone with the ability to mute. So on this one, I can mute. So I can do that way, or I can mute from this place. So I'm not going to mute there. That's one of the first things that, you know, I want you to understand. The reason why you want headsets and microphones that are mutable is because it allows the student to engage in the classroom successfully. And when I say successfully, that means that they can speak to you as an instructor and you can respond appropriately. Now, they don't need these particular headphones. They can use the headphones that come with their phones. You know, I mean, I'm not saying that they have to go out and buy something expensive or anything like that, but I would suggest that you get something like this. Again, you don't have to. One of the reasons why I have this is so I can remain mobile. I need to remain mobile. I'm dynamic in the classroom. I need to move. So if you like mobility in the classroom, and I believe that that is a good thing to interact with the students, you should do this. All right. So in the next video, I will, I guess I could talk about stop video, but in the next video, I'll just go to video here, and hopefully that's suitable. So as you can see, so I should say this. No, I'm not going to go to the next video yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, all right, so you see this is your microphone. So this is my microphone. As I'm on a Macintosh, so I have a built-in microphone. Some Windows machines, they have them too. You know, we have some down in the lab, and so they have them. Same as system, or you can also select your speaker. So I don't have to choose my speaker to be my headset right here. I mean, that's kind of cool, but I don't have to. What I could do is I can choose my speaker to be on the built-in side. And if it's on the built-in side, that means that students that are out there, they can stop you, they can interact with you, and everybody in the classroom understands what's happening. Because if they're just speaking here and you just start talking and responding to them, they're like, well, you throw them off a little bit. I mean, yeah, they can get used to it, but it's not a natural kind of environment. And I believe that you can reproduce a natural kind of environment in this scenario, especially once you get used to it. At times it can be difficult, but again, we're thinking about the student. So I said that I wasn't going to do stop video, but stop video is just, I mean, I can choose different video cameras. I really wish I had my broadcast camera set up. Maybe in the next video, I'll show you guys that. All right. Have a good one.